Welcome to you all. This is basically a way of doing an online classroom session. We have got two parts to this session. One is a digital lecture and the other is a digital assignment. Digital lecture is basically what you are doing it one way. You want to give a lecture which will be listened by the students, and the digital assignment is basically an assignment given to the student which he has to complete and give it back, and then you do a scrutinization. So what are the steps we are going to show you? First, teachers can attach PDF, Word, Excel, PPT, YouTube links for these lectures. Second, teachers can attach question papers to students. Number 3, respective students can view all files uploaded. Fourth, respective students can upload answers on the same question paper. Fifth, teachers can view answer sheets and upload scrutinized files. Sixth, students can view scrutinized files. So we'll go and show you live transaction of all these 6 steps. We'll open up the link which will be provided to you over an SMS. This is the link which will be provided to you. Once you open this link, they'll be asking you for the user code. So you give the user code. And the password. The moment you give the password and the user code, this is a screen which would come in front of you, and it will have 2 parts. The last 2 menu buttons, if you see, is digital lectures and digital worksheets. We'll first go digital lectures. Once you select digital lectures, you click on topic set. The moment you click on topic set, this is what it would come out. Now since it's a new topic set which you are making, you click on new. Once you click on new, these things have already come. Now you select the class, which is class 10, and then section, suppose section A, and subject is history, and you put it as Mughal. The topic suppose is Mughals, right? And now you have to upload a PDF file. Okay, suppose for the Mughals you need to upload a PDF file which you have made, or maybe an external source. So you go to the desktop or wherever you have saved the file. And select, and I have saved it as teachers, and we have saved it as education news. Suppose you select the PDF file and it has already got attached. Suppose you want to attach a YouTube link to this. So you open up a YouTube. It can be your own video and it can be an external sourced video, wherein you type out, suppose Mughal Empire. And you want to give this link to all the students. You open up, and what you need to do is just select the URL, copy, and paste it in the YouTube link which you can see in your menu button. Once you have saved it, your work is done in terms of digital lecture. So you have attached a PDF file, you have attached a YouTube link. Now the next thing is that I need to set a question. So you go to digital worksheet and click on question set. The moment you click on question set, it will again ask you whether it's new. So you click on new. And again, you select the class, you select the section, and the subject as history, and question details you write as Mughal Empire, and the question in short could be Mughals. Now you have to choose a file where the question is already there. So you click on choose a file, and I have kept it in desktop, and the file name is teacher's questions. So I select the teacher questions. And the moment you select that, the file has got saved into it. Now you would like to put a YouTube link into this, you can do that also. So the YouTube link has also got pasted. Now for this question paper which you have set, the full marks you want to give as 50. So you write 50 and save it. Once you have saved it, your question paper is set, your digital lecture is saved with a PDF file you have given and a YouTube link you have given. And the digital worksheet you have pasted the question where the question has been attached and a YouTube link has also been attached. Now as a teacher my work is complete at the moment. I log out. Now as a teacher I log in and I go to digital worksheet and I go to answer sheet and I click on answer sheet. Now I select class, section, subject and also the question, okay, because history would be having different chapters. So I select Mughals and I press on load. The moment I click on load, this row would crop up. What does it show? It shows file view, which means the answer which has been given by the student is now accessible to the teacher. I click on view. The moment I click on view, the answer sheet has got downloaded and the answer sheet has come. Now what do? I give my remarks. Suppose I write very good. And that's the remarks I give. And I save it as, suppose teacher reply on the desktop. On the desktop. Okay. Now since it has been saved, now I have to give marks and this person has given the right answer, so he gets 50 out of 50. So I write 50. And now is my time to upload the scrutinized file. So I click on upload and I go to desktop where I have saved it and I select teacher reply. I select the teacher reply and I press on open. Now this has been done. The data is saved. My work is also done over here. So I log out. And all these steps which I had mentioned, first the PDF, which is a normal PDF of anything about regarding the studies, regarding the chapter, is attached. I have, as a teacher, sent the YouTube link. As a teacher, I have set the questions. As a student, he has replied. I have given marks. I have scrutinized it and given my remarks. As a student, I have seen the scrutinized files and it is okay with me. That is all from our side. Thank you very much.